Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily install the DMS for Windows 11. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to head toward any one of the web browser. I'm using Google Chrome here and at the top in the search box, simply type Bluestacks. Click on enter and click on the first website which appears in the results. Then after in the website of Bluestack, you will see the option of download. So latest version is only available in the download option, so simply click on it. Double click on the file which is just been downloaded, that is the setup file for Bluestack. Click on install now and agree. Allow the permission for this application to make changes in your device and shortly it will be downloaded. Once downloaded, in the desktop, you will be able to see the icon of this application. Simply open it and now you can use this as a Google Play Store in your mobile device and search for DMS application to download in your Windows 11. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.